Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Advent of Code Day 2. We are the two guys from Germany, and Frank is also there. Good morning, Frank.
Good morning, Thomas. Nice to be here.
Hey, so we wait together the next 4 minutes and then we start coding. I will read the task while you prepare yourself. And if you're ready, please say go or something else, and you can use the screen.
I will do so.
Okay, guys, 50 seconds left. Frank, are you nervous?
Oh, I'm thrilled. I'm happy.
Okay, so then it's like Sylvester. 5, 4, 2.
So here we go.
Here we go.
I skipped the first part.
Okay, I will read it and you will prepare yourself, and you will. The solution is implemented in C++. So the elves begin to set up camp on the beach to decide whose tents gets to be closest to the snack storage. A giant rock, paper, scissors tournament is already in progress. Rock, paper, scissors is a game between two players. Each game contains many rounds. In each round, the players each simultaneously choose one of the rock, paper, or scissors using a hand shape. Then a winner for that round is selected. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, and paper defeats rock. It's called Xing Shang Chong in Germany. If both players choose the same shape, the round instead ends in a draw. Appreciate of your help yesterday. One elf gives you an encrypted strategy guide. Your puzzle input. Okay. Let's say they will be sure to help you win. The first column is what your opponent is going to play. A for rock, B for paper, and C for scissors. The second column, suddenly, the elf is called away to help with someone's tent. Okay. The second column, you reason, must be what you should play in response. X for rock, Y for paper, and Z for scissors. Winning every time would be some strange words for me. So the responses must have been carefully chosen. The winner of the whole tournament is a player with the highest score. Your total score is the sum of your scores for each round. The score for a single round is the score for the shape you selected. 1 for rock, 2 for paper, and 3 for scissors. Plus the score for the outcome of the round. 0 if you lost, 3 if the round was a draw, and 6 if you won. Since you can't be sure if the elf is trying to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score you wouldn't get if you were to follow the strategy guide. For example, suppose you were given the following strategy guide: A, Y, B, X, C, Z.
Did you get it how the points come together? Why is the 3.4 6 points here? So they play rock, paper, scissors, and one of them wins, and this one gets a point. I get it, or is it not? I don't understand the point giving here.
I'm not.
So why is it 15 points here? 8 plus 1 plus 6. How can he get 8 points for this? Where comes this 8 from?
I'm not sure. 6 because you won.
Yeah, why 6? Why not 69? How comes these numbers? I completely don't get it. Why a score of 8?
This ends with a win of you for a score of 8. 2 because of choose paper, and 6 because you won.
So each win gives 6 points, or what?
Yeah.
Here. Okay, this is the pointing. 1 for rock, 2 for paper, 3 plus the score of the outcome. 3, 6. Okay, now I get it.
Okay.
We need to iterate these things and then sum the numbers here correctly, and the rest is text understanding.
Okay.
So
you got the screen.
I just want to see the file. Okay, it's a big file with these things. ABC, X, epsilon, Z. Oh my God. We do one big loop.
Okay.
Or string SGS. So these are the two files, the two inputs, the ABC and the left thing. So I simply type the some ifs.
Okay, yes. So you're matching if to points, right?
No, to the sysvar. So look like this. So R is a sysvar. B.
You can.
So now we need to look. What was it? A was a sysvar.
But
no, A is a rock. B is paper, and no, B is. A is a rock. B is paper.
B is paper, yes, and X is so.
A is rock. B is paper. Else rock, paper, sysvar. So, and it's the same for the other one.
Paper is Y. X is rock.
So what is A is. What is X? X is rock.
X is rock.
Okay.
Yes. Paper is Y. And then Z should be scissor.
Paper is Y is paper.
Paper is Y.
Okay.
Yes.
Rock, paper, sysvar. So now we do int for 1. That's clumsy implemented here. So should we write down all 9 combinations? I think it's simplest to write them all down, isn't it?
Yeah, just write it down.
Paper. No, if P1 ist gleich P2, dann score 1 plus gleich 3 or 2. So, and both get these scores. So I do another one in SC, C.
Maybe in the next
Paper, what was it here? This 1, 2, 3 thing. The 3, yeah. How is this? 1 rock, 2 paper, 3 scissors. 1 rock, 2 paper,
Yes.
3 scissors.
scissors, yeah. Maybe in the next round we got a fontaine. Very cool. So
Rock, paper, a fontaine. What's a rock? Fontaine.
in German, Brunnen.
Yeah, I know the word, but I don't know what you want with the fontaine here.
Yeah, not in this step. Maybe in the next step
Okay.
to make it more complex.
See. Now
Okay.
P1. Yes, and score 2. B2.
So Frank is mapping every input file.
Okay. So if he got a rock, like Swiss war, score, he gets 6 points.
So Frank is mapping the input to an player variable. So every player got his own input.
Paper, rock, paper.
And then he compares the input together from player 1 to player 2.
Paper or 6. So.
And then depending on the description.
So paper and Swiss wars, then B2 gets it, and paper and rock, then also P2 gets it. Paper and Swiss war.
But
so
it's
P1 here.
I'm not sure if you're right, because
this doesn't help. Just tell me what you think. What would be better?
Yes, you have no lines. You do it in plus 3, or if there are 2 scissors. But if there are 2 rocks, it's not 3 plus 3.
You mean this? This is the 3 points for the draw. This is
but
the points for the.
It's a draw if it's a scissor, because scissors are 3 points.
No, if they are same, then you get 3 points. Else they are not the same. So here is only the cases where they are not the same.
It's the draw depends on what they have chosen. If there's a rock, it's 1 plus 1.
Yeah, sorry. I will first type it, then we can look into it. Okay. So here first player got a rock, and the second player Sisra. Rock wins, so score 1. Here paper wins, so score 2. So first got paper, second got Sisra, so Sisra wins. Second got rock, so the first wins. Else if P1 equals rock, paper, Sisra. So if first got Sisra and second paper, then the first one wins. And if second and paper Sisra and rocks, then the first one wins. This is not right. Sisra paper, Sisra rock, no, then the rock wins. So, and now we want the score of the first player, isn't it? What do we need to output here?
Your total score.
What would your total score be? Who is your?
Yeah,
are we the first or the second player?
One moment.
I didn't understand this also. Yeah. One else
you are the second column.
First is okay. Then the second column, so we are player 2. Score 2.
The second column, you reason.
So now you think it's not correct?
That's right.
So
I think it's not correct.
Okay.
But we can try it out and solve it, and then we have to wait for a minute. But
of course, that's true every time. So I just have to make here my code correct. SGS. Why does this not work? Split VS. I need to split it here. Use one of the split functions. Split E, split VS. Split. Just split it by new lines. This must be a string.
I found the critical place in the text, which was maybe misunderstanding by you.
So still some typos here. I need to put this on a function key.
Score, okay.
So this is too slow here. Score. So this looks better.
Okay, so a draw gives you 3 points plus what you have set. So 3 points plus 3 if you are a scissor, 3 points plus 1 if you choose a rock.
Here, look, Thomas. Here you get in this line you get the points for what you choose here.
Okay.
This is the 1, 3, 6. 1 for rock, 2 for paper.
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3. Why it's 1, 2, 3? Okay. And then later you get the points if you win or if you not win. So you get both here.
Then your if is only for a draw 3 points. Okay. Then I got it. Then I was wrong. So.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, but something is completely wrong because we get 0 points here, and I'm not sure about this. So we have to debug again here a bit. So for some reason the partial does not work. Why does it not work?
Have you downloaded the file?
So I think I didn't copy it. Still not good. Oh, this is clumsy. So here it is. Here it is.
Maybe the line break is not working?
Think so. $2,500 lines. I don't get it. Why does
The GS is empty?
the naming of the files wrong? D2R test and text. I mixed the file names. CVD2A bong. I need text D2A dot test. And here the minutes go down. That was clumsy.
Okay, we got our first solution in 90 minutes. Maybe we are not on the first place.
We earned a gold star. Yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo.
So, part 2. La 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 la. Total score. Same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends is as indicated.
Don't understand.
The second column says how the round needs to end. So now we need to choose what we use. What does it mean? The else. So the meaning of x, epsilon, and z changes. So if x means we need lose and so on. And now how is the scoring here? Okay, shape is the rock, paper, scissors, so the item to choose. I understand. This is poorly understandable, this word for me. So, okay. So, and then we always win? No, round is indicated. No. Okay. So we see to set up our if something else. B to A. To B.cc. So now I get it that we map the C2 here to something else. So the C2 is x, epsilon, z, and now we map the thing as P2 so that it fits the C2.
Okay.
So if C2 is x, and then we need to adjust it. So x means we need to lose. So if C1 equals E1 equals rock, and we need to lose. What loses against rock is scissors, isn't it?
Yes. Scissors.
E1 equals scissors. What loses against scissors is paper. Equals rock, paper, scissors. So does this make sense to do it like this? Yeah, okay, this makes sense. So if C2 equals epsilon means means a draw. Yeah, okay. So if we need to have a draw, then P2 equals P1, isn't it? So else if P1 equals rock, so else we need to win, isn't it? So what wins against rock is
scissor.
paper.
No. Paper wins against rock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Paper wins against rock. I do an animation. Scissors loses. Paper wins.
Is paper. Then we win with scissors.
Yes.
Else P2 is a rock. So now it should work again.
Okay.
But it's highly error prone what we write down here, so I don't like this.
Yeah, it looks like production code. Not from our company.
So missed some
Else?
Some brackets here. It's the open bracket missing. So if this is right, then the second star gives a better place than the first.
23 minutes later.
It's unfortunately not the right answer. So let's rewrite it or let's think about it. Let's think about it, what we are doing here. So the x epsilon z gives the thing.
X, you
So I
lose.
first check if I misunderstood something. So this may be the case here with the statement.
Okay.
X means need to lose, epsilon needs a draw, and Z means you need to win. So let's look if you have this right. This is the...
You are player 2. This is
We are
important.
player 2. Lose, draw, win. So if we lose and the first player has a rock, then we have a cisra, because then we lose. So else, if we first has a cisra, then we need to have a paper to lose. Yeah. And else, cisra, this is a rock here. Okay, first error found. This is trivial case, it needs to be the same. So if we want to win, if the other one has a rock, we have a paper. If
Right.
the other one has a paper, we have a cisra, and else we have a rock. Okay, this works. And we have a gold star.
Yeah. Okay, Frank. Thank you.
No, let's look at the stats. Come on.
Yes. So, and for the weekend, I will not be there. So we see us again on Monday, and maybe we doing a short overview over the weekend. We will think about that. So 20 minutes, 90 minutes and 3 seconds.
Yes, this was unsuspected, difficult for me to understand a lot of things here. This text understanding was a bit clumsy. And then also, it would be worth to think about how one can implement this in a more nice way. Maybe if we define these numbers as arrays and then index over this ABC somehow, would be a more nice solution.
Quick and
So
dirty.
it's-
It's quick and dirty. So you solve it in 20 minutes, and I like it. Very good. Is there something else we have to talk about this problem?
I don't think so.
Okay, then
I think
everybody,
we are ready for work today.
yeah, stay tuned. We see us together on Monday. Maybe Frank is recording a session alone. We will talk about this. Then bye bye.
Bye-bye.